Nebraska lawmakers give first-round approval to a bill that classifies rideshare drivers as independent contractors. Thanks for joining us. I'm Julie Cornell.
I'm Rob McCartney. While it advances with a 33-12 vote, some worry it would take away workers' rights. KATV News Watch 7's Pete Cudahy is here with both sides. Pete?
Rob, Julie, rideshare drivers are already considered independent contractors, but Bill 229 would solidify their classification in state statute.
It works. Why fix something that's not broken? And in essence, it allows the marketplace to work as is.
Senator Lauren Lippincott argues that rideshare workers chose to work without entitlements such as insurance or minimum wage.
If you, as the employee working at Uber or Lyft, if you don't like that, then you're free to find a different job.
However, Senator John Cavanaugh believes the bill is giving more power to billionaires and less to workers.
There may be people who like the nature of the gig work and not being an employee, but there are other people who might like more stability and more protections. And the law takes away that option from people.
Senior contributor of the RideShare Guy, Sergio Avedian, thinks the bill will only hurt workers, stripping them of essential rights.
As an independent contractor, we have no rights. Again, I'm saying this unequivocally. We have no rights. Uber can deactivate a driver unjustly, meaning fire, get him off the app, lives ruined.
Senator Tony Sorrentino argues that the driver has more freedom as an independent contractor.
How about the degree of permanence of working? I can quit 1 month, start back next week, just work for 2 weeks. I am my own business person.
No rideshare drivers have testified in opposition of the bill, leaving their input unknown to the legislature.
Most people who are doing Uber or Lyft have a second job and don't have the flexibility to come down and testify. So I'm certain that they're not coming opposed because they don't have that luxury.
The bill will still need to pass through 2 more rounds of debate. RideShare Guy senior correspondent Sergio Avedian hopes to come to Nebraska and help senators understand how this bill would hurt drivers. Back to you.
All right, Pete, thanks.